Question 10, Paper 11, May-June 2025. In this question we work with square root functions, their inverses, and transformations. We are given f of x equals root x for x greater than or equal to 0, and g of x equals 3 root x plus 2, minus 5, 4x at least minus 2. Both functions are shown on screen. Part A. Describe a full sequence of transformations from y equals f of x to y equals g of x. Start with y equals root x. Step 1. Translate 2 units left. Root x becomes root x plus 2. Step 2. Stretch parallel to the y-axis with scale factor 3. Step 3. Translate 5 units down to obtain g of x. The order matters. The stretch must come before the vertical shift. Part B. Sketch the graph of g inverse together with the mirror line. Draw g of x. The mirror line is y equals x. Reflect g in y equals x to obtain g inverse. The endpoints swap coordinates. -2, -5 maps to -5, -2. G inverse is the mirror image of g in the line y equals x. Part C. Find g inverse of x. Let y equal 3 root x plus 2, minus 5. Make x the subject, then interchange x and y. Add 5 to both sides. Divide both sides by 3. Square both sides. Subtract 2 so x is the subject. Hence g inverse equals x plus 5 over 3, all squared, minus 2. Part D. The range of g inverse equals the domain of g. The domain of g is x greater than or equal to minus 2. So the range of g inverse is g inverse of x greater than or equal to minus 2. On the number line, the range starts at minus 2 and continues to the right. Part E. Find g inverse of h of 4, where h of x equals x minus 2 for x at least 0. Read the composite right to left, start with 4, apply h first. H of 4 equals 2. Then apply g inverse. 7/3 squared minus 2 gives 31/9. So g inverse of h of 4 equals 31/9. Part F. Explain why h composed with g inverse cannot be formed. We need the range of g inverse to lie inside the domain of h. The range of g inverse is x greater than or equal to minus 2. But h is only defined for x greater than or equal to 0. Values from minus 2 up to 0 are in the range of g inverse but not in the domain of h. So h of g inverse cannot be formed. Summary of answers. Part A. Translate left 2, stretch in y by 3, then down 5. Part B. Reflect g in y equals x. Part C. G inverse equals x plus 5 over 3 squared, minus 2. Part D. G inverse of x is at least minus 2. Part E. G inverse of h of 4 equals 31/9. Part F. The range of g inverse is not contained in the domain of h.